Always try to leave a little part of me off somewhere deep inside you. But the ones that I've been breaking off lately just seem so far from my truth. I watched your eyes both part in tears like they were Moses, and your Savior standing off on distant shores, wondering if I had ever really noticed the man I was before, if he was there anymore. I always thought I could predict both our futures from the way your lips went sailing. Oh, but my tongue is a rudder too, and it sent me off to find another island. Oh, I watched you wish that you had never even met me, and for your sake, I guess I wish the same. I spent 3 long days inside of the belly of a whale of your blame. Forgot my real name. When we're born, tectonic plates move until we grow up to a mountain, and all our actions break away our youth, but we still dream of it in fountains. I'm sorry that I chipped away what makes you strong. Well, I was searching for myself beneath your stone, but I just found there is no cure for all our longings in a temporary home. So I left you alone, and I woke with your pain beating hard against my heart till it went faster. And the sky was full of flames, and the sun was tossing rays like God's laughter. But how am I supposed to learn to walk on water when I am the only reason for the storm, and the only thing that I've called the master keeps changing its form since the day I was born. Well, I know the words could never ever heal this. You must wrap yourself in bandages of time, and the truth will grow from pain that I've caused us till it falls from the vine. And when the wind can blow us in different directions, one of us must do the